The cave it's almost a biome in itself, where it's self-contained. A lot of the things that live in here don't really leave here. But what does leave here are the bats and the birds. They go out in the forest, the bats during the night and the birds during the day. So don't compete because they share that niche of the flying insects, but at different times of day. So they come back in here and then they digest their food and they drop the droppings, the guano, down onto the floor. And this is the primary resource for much of the life of the cave. All across the floor you have tiniad moths and pseudoscorpions and many, many cockroaches, a couple of different species of spiders, and this whole ecosystem's going on in the floor, generated by the insects in the forest, which come into here by the bats and the birds. They get into here, they're eaten by the cockroaches and whatnot, and then you have the large centipedes, which will eat the cockroaches or other animals, and it's all going on, and it's slowly breaking down the resources. The insects that were in the forest are slowly getting broken down into bits and pieces as the nutrients are used by the variety of animals in here. And there's water. There's some small streams that move through here, and in those streams are crabs, filter feeders. They're even filtering out smaller and smaller bits of nutrients until you get to the entrance where the stream kind of comes out, and the little last bits of guano, which are mostly undigestible insect chitin, the shells, reaches the stream and moves on downstream.